Do not use any honey or any sugar or sweetener. Just drink it naturally to get the full benefit from it. It's one of the best recipe you can ever use at home, promoting good weight loss and detoxing the body, help you with your diabetic or your blood sugar. This is a very powerful recipe for you to try at home. No sugar, no honey, no sweetener. You just need to drink it naturally to get the full 100% benefit. Yeah. So with the garlic now, I like to use garlic and cloves, or garlic and ginger, or garlic with rosemary. So I like to do that, or some garlic tea with lemon. Very good for blood pressure. We may do that tomorrow night because we don't do any high blood pressure tea over the last few evenings. So we may do that tomorrow. Yeah, but this is very good for diabetic, or if you have high blood sugar, this is very good for you. Or if you want to detox the body, or if you want to lose weight, this is a very good recipe for you.